Hi, intermediate. We're back. This is section 10.5. This is video 5. Okay. All right, so we have another parabola. You guys know how to read the vertex. It's the opposite of the inside, same as the outside. So opposite sign of the inside, same sign as the outside. So that's the vertex. The negative in front, remember, is making the parabola frown, so it's face down instead of face up. We call that a reflection over the x-axis. And the 1/2 is making the parabola wide. It's taking longer for the parabola to grow. Okay, so 4, 2 is the vertex. Okay, now let's do the y-intercept. X is equal to 0. Okay, so what we did here for the y-intercept is we let x equal to 0. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 squared is 16. Negative 1/2 times 16 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. So that's our y-intercept right here. Let's now do the point by symmetry. So this is the center. So the y-intercept is 4 units from the center, which means that its buddy point is 4 units in the other direction from the center. So its buddy point is going to sit right here because it's got to be equal in distance from the center. We call that equidistant. All right, so now this point in space is 8 units over and 6 units down. And this again is the point by symmetry. Okay, let me now do the x-intercepts. And we'll let y equal to 0 to do that. So this is going to be the square root method. So remember, to do the square root method, you want to isolate the squared term. We want to get rid of the fraction in the front. So negative 2 times negative 1/2 equals to 1, which makes them go away. It equals to a positive 1. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take the square root because I've got something squared equals a constant. Square root of 4 is 2. Now I'm going to move a 4 to the other side. So we get 6, 0, and 2, 0. Alright, so 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So those are the two x-intercepts. So I'm going to plot them now. So 6, 0, and 2, 0. Okay, gang, that's this graph, so you can see. So try to put it all together, right? The graph is moved 4 units to the right, 2 units up. So that's the 4 units to the right, 2 units up. It's negative, so it's flipped downward, it's frowning. And the 1/2 is making the graph wider than it would usually be. This graph would usually be skinnier. All right, gang, I'll catch you in another video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bye-bye.